Garlic and cinnamon, each a treasure trove in the culinary domain, exhibit surprising health benefits when you dig a bit deeper. Garlic, with its pungent aroma, serves more than a mere flavor enhancer. Embedded with allicin, a compound known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, garlic emerges as a steadfast ally against infections. Moreover, it's replete with antioxidants, contributing to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Cinnamon, on the flip side, exudes a spicy, comforting fragrance often associated with baked goods and hot beverages. However, its benefits stretch further. It harbors anti-inflammatory qualities and has shown promise in the regulation of blood sugar. Some even believe it can help with weight loss. Together, garlic and cinnamon contribute a nuanced blend of flavors to your meals, while also serving as health-boosting supplements. A quintessential duo for your kitchen and well-being, wouldn't you agree?